Okay, so I've noticed a bit of a design flaw, for me anyway, in the Citroen Ami. Can be a little bit dangerous, to be fair. That's, my seat's all the way back, that's where my foot naturally goes on the accelerator, like so. But when it comes to braking, if I try to brake, I pull my foot all the way back, and I can't just, I have to lift my foot right off the brake and bring it past the fabrication for the brake pedal and then over here to that side. If I brake there, my foot and my toes are actually touching that bit. As you can see, the marks on there already. And this morning already a couple of times I've gone to brake where I would normally just leave, in any other cars, I would leave my heel where it is in a comfortable position and then just tap over like so. But as you see, I'm hitting that at the top, not the pedal. That pedal should be really, the majority of the pedal should be at this side, so you can just transfer easily. Only a minor gripe, I will get used to it, but you know, I don't really like having to lift my foot right the way off, because then I've got this problem with the steering wheel. When I lift off, you see my knee nearly touches the steering wheel. If I drive like that, my knee's nearly where my hand is. So anyway, minor gripe. Apart from that, I love it.